Let's embark on a journey to explore the vast and remote stretches of long roads that crisscross the Yukon territory. Yukon, known for its rugged wilderness and breathtaking landscapes, is also home to some of the most iconic and captivating roads in North America. These roads, often stretching as far as the eye can see, take travelers on a unique adventure through the heart of the Canadian wilderness. Yukon, located in the northwestern corner of Canada, is a place where the natural wonder takes center stage. It is a land of superlatives, boasting some of the most stunning and diverse landscapes on our planet. The Carcross Desert, located in the southern part of Yukon, Canada, is often referred to as the smallest desert in the world. Now, it's essential to clarify that when we say desert, we are not talking about vast expanses of sand dunes like you'd find in the Sahara. Instead, the Carcross Desert is a unique and striking landscape characterized by rolling sand dunes surrounded by lush green forests and snow-capped mountains, creating an incredible contrast that leaves visitors in awe. As you explore the Carcross Desert, you will be treated to stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. To the west, you will see the rugged and snow-capped peaks of the coast mountains, creating a breathtaking backdrop for the desert. To the east, the emerald waters of Lake Bennett and Nares Lake glisten under the northern sun. The entire scene is a testament to the natural beauty and diversity that Yukon has to offer. As you drive along the Alaska Highway, you will encounter vast expanses of unspoiled wilderness, towering mountain ranges, and pristine lakes. The road's twists and turns offer breathtaking vistas at every corner, making it a heaven for road trippers and adventure seekers. Wildlife sightings are also common, with opportunities to spot some moose, bears, and elks along the way. The wilderness of Yukon is a testament of the grandeur and resilience of our planet's natural world. It is a place where the spirit of adventure thrives, where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life, and where the wild reigns supreme. Yukon's wilderness is a reminder of the importance of preserving and cherishing our last wild places. As you traverse these long roads in Yukon, you will quickly realize that the journey is as much a part of the experience as the destinations themselves. The vastness of the landscape, the solitude of the wilderness, and the ever-changing beauty of the scenery create a sense of adventure and wonder that is unmatched. The Yukon Territory is a place that defies easy description and leaves an incredible mark on the hearts of all who venture into its wilderness. Its towering mountains, pristine rivers, and vast expanses of untouched nature are a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. Its rich history, cultures, and long roads beacon adventurers, explorers, and travelers from around the world. Whether you come from the captivating landscapes, the rugged wilderness, or the unique experiences, one thing is certain: Yukon will forever hold a special place in your soul, and its magnificent charm will leave you yearning for more of this extraordinary corner of the world. Visit Yukon.